Welcome! If you want to get this iOS launcher on your Samsung Galaxy A60, and right now I'm going to show you how to get it. So for the first, I'm going to delete this launcher from the smartphone. Okay, and right now our launcher has changed. I'm deleting also the control center. So right now we have to enter the Play Store, and we have to click on the search and type iOS launcher. And you have to get this application from the Looting developer, a launcher iOS 30. Click on install. Okay, right now we can open. Click allow. And right now we have to click on the home button. Select our iOS launcher and click on the always. Click on it, we got it. And as you can see, our launcher has changed again. We can remove this Google Play Music and select the Play Store. Okay, and right now when we enter the launcher once again, we have to get the control center, close this ad, tap on OK, go for the Play Store, get this control center, so tap on the install button. Right now we can open. Use the switcher, go back. Click on the home button, and right now we can try to open it like that. Click here, and right now we can swipe like that to open our control center. Click on the OK once again, and right now we have to allow permission, and right now everything will be fine. As you can see, it's working. So this is the easy way how to get this launcher from the Play Store. I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.